This is it. Send it, brother.
Relax, relax.
Hey guys, hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic. This is the biggest announcement of this video, and I'm filming it in the least formal setting, so I'm sorry about that. But I really wanted to get this out to you guys and make you aware of what's coming to the channel. And this is going to be something that is really going to make or break the channel, I think, right now, in terms of its viability and the things that I get to do on it. Obviously, there's a lot of really cool stuff I've been able to do thanks to Matt and thanks to the awesome people that I've been able to hang out and spend time with up here. So I'm really, really grateful that I've been able to do that. But in terms of the channel actually progressing and not just being repetitive, this is going to be kind of key to that. And not just in terms of the channel progressing this year, because there probably won't be a whole lot of change in what I do on the channel this year, but after my mission, which I'm going on my mission after not this current semester, but winter semester. After winter semester, I'm planning on going on a 2-year mission. That'll be 2 years away from YouTube. Come back from that, and how this stuff does is going to be instrumental to how the channel keeps going as I continue through college and beyond. So, without further ado, let's see exactly what I'm talking about.
This is it. My first ever piece of 100% legit merchandise in the flesh. I know I started that Teespring campaign way back. That's all been discontinued now because this is just so much better for me and so much better for you guys in terms of what you're getting. So this is a 60/40 cotton poly blend. The design is 100% custom by me. I based this off of an image of a piston. Established 2018, automotive goodness, always revving. It's kind of like those college always reppin' shirts, but better. The actual brand of the shirt, it's a next level apparel. These shirts have good reviews from other t-shirt companies on their durability and longevity. I've worn the shirt for 2 days. Really, really comfortable, really, really good. I would recommend that you wash it before you wear it. I did not do that, and there was a bit of residue left over from the printing press that on that first day that I wore it that kind of attracted dust, and so I had a bit of a dust square all around the print. After washing it, that residue is gone. I wore it again, and it's really, really good, really nice, really comfortable. This is a medium, and it fits me well. I don't like super tight shirts, and I think that this one is perfect, but I'm not just going to talk about it. Let me actually put it on and show you guys. Alright, so here it is on me. As you guys can see, it fits me pretty nice and comfortable. Comes halfway down my arm, which I think is quite nice. The fabric is really soft, really flexible. I really, really enjoy the feel, and I really like the look of the shirt. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Print quality is pretty good. If you guys look closely, I don't know how well the detail resolves, but this is equivalent to or greater quality than other shirts that I've bought in the past. Let me pull out some actually of the other shirts that I have that I bought for car merchandise stuff. Laid out before you guys are all of the automotive shirts that I have. You guys can probably kind of see a pattern in my preferences for car shirts. I like black t-shirts. But, so these are both Adam LZ shirts, and I will say that these are different in quality from mine. They're 100% ring spun cotton, and if you look closely at them, the print quality is extremely clean. Let me try and get this to focus. That's an extremely, extremely clean, very, very crisp print. It doesn't feel like it's been actually printed on the shirt, whereas I think that this is actually material printed, as is this other one. These ones have a bit more of a unfinished texture to the printing, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. Kind of just depends on what you like, what you prefer. If you prefer the super crispy, doesn't even feel like it's been printed shirts, Adams are, objectively speaking, better in that respect. However, these are 100% cotton. This is a blend, so this one is probably going to be better in terms of durability. It won't shrink. That one's also 100% cotton. And in terms of softness and fit, I mean, these are all good shirts. I like all of them. I got the injection compression, etc. off of Amazon somewhere, and then I've also got a rotary one. That one's in Dirty Laundry. But anyways, however, with the LZ shirts, you pay at least $20 for the shirt, and then you pay shipping. With these, right now, I'm planning on selling them for $20 free shipping, or shipping included, however you want to look at it. So that is quite good for a blend merchandise shipped to you, and it really would mean a whole lot to me. So if you guys would buy one of these shirts for $20, shipping included, please go ahead, respond to the card that I'm putting on the top of the screen right now. And then also, I had a suggestion from someone that I didn't think about before I actually printed the shirt, but he said that I should make it so that this Darby Productions here is all black. So if you guys think that would be a better idea, reply to the next post or poll that I'm going to put up. Let me know what you think about that. I'll probably put these polls up on my Instagram as well sometime in the next 24 hours, my public one. So go follow that if you haven't already, at Darby Productions. That's where you guys are going to get a whole lot more content from me on a more regular basis, because I can just do easy stuff. It won't obviously be anything like the YouTube videos, but it'll just be quick snaps and information about what I'm doing, what I'm up to. But yeah, pretty cool. I really like wearing car shirts. It makes me feel excited, and so I've really loved wearing this around at BYU. It's fun. For me, just the more car stuff, the better, you know. So anyway, that's my merch. If you guys are sufficiently interested, and I think that it would be a worthy endeavor, I'll work on figuring out how to set up an online shop, figuring out taxes and all that other fun garbage that comes with running a business. But I just thought you guys should see that, and that I should do that so that I can maybe look at making YouTube a bit more of an endeavor that supports me, because with college, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it's become a lot harder for me to get a video out every week that is quality and actually fun to watch. And I don't want to start making garbage. And I also want to be able to be a lot more self-sufficient. The more that I have this brand built up now before my mission, when I come back from my mission, the sooner we'll be able to hit the ground running and do awesome stuff, even while I still have 3 more years of college at the minimum. That's why I'm doing this. And also, I want to make high quality stuff that people like to wear and provide it at a good price. And I think that what I'm offering is a good thing, that is a pro for both me and for you. So really appreciate it if you guys would reply to my polls, let me know, so I can get some information on engagement, and share this around with all your friends. Ask them if they would like to buy this shirt if they're into cars, and direct them to my channel so that we can continue to build the most epic community of automotive enthusiasts on the internet. Watching my truck, finally, after being up here for 5 weeks, she's getting the care that she deserves and needs after getting all those bugs and nasty things stuck on her on the way up. So I'm going to give her a good wash, hopefully get her all ready for winter up here with all of its nastiness and salt and snow, and hopefully she'll be alright. I've also got some clips regarding some other cool fun stuff that I've done recently, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Should be pretty fun, a little lifestyle fun type vlog. I'm at the park right now, so if I don't get any other footage for this week, this is what I'm going to upload. So hanging out with Matt and his friend Mike. Again, Mike had the green 4Runner that you guys couldn't tell the color of, the less lifted 4Runner from the off-road video a couple weeks ago. But we've been trying to learn how to hang glide. Mike's trying it right now. I don't know if I'm quite ready to send it down the hill just yet, but sometime soon, hopefully. Anyway, here he goes. He's not going just yet. Waiting for the wind to correct itself. With sunset, Matt said something about the wind getting kind of janky, so I guess that's what's going down. Oh, that looks really,
it's coming from like
really cool. Use this as a runway.
right into the fence, right into the light pole. Mike had his first flight. Didn't go very
Or
well.
he could go all the way across.
So, see, this is the part about hang gliding that is not so fun, is waiting.
Patience.
You have to wait sometimes.
So I'm going to be keeping my eyes locked on that pavilion.
Between the pavilion and the sidewalk.
Okay.
Maybe above the sidewalk, so middle of the hill.
Okay.
The pavilion is great.
Okay.
Sidewalk is okay. Anything towards you of the sidewalk is no bueno.
Okay. This is just like
That's not just me, that sounds like a plane, right?
Sounds like a helicopter.
Helicopter. It's totally a helicopter.
I've seen a bunch of helicopters the past couple days. Where is it? Where is it though?
I know, it just sounds like it's right there.
Well, it sounds like, well, it's like it should be coming. Oh, it is right there.
Do Ronies have a helicopter?
What in the world? Wow, I'm really bad at filming, guys. That's cool. Now would be a scary time to base jump. kind of dark. Look at how nice the sunset is, guys.
Look at the lake.
So good.
Look at the mountains. They look like a freaking painting.
Majestic, dude. Purple Mountain Majesty.
Whoa.
Watch out.
Mike's whacking people.
She's got people followed over like pins.
Dude,
I was like,
picked up.
Yeah, really picked up. Dude, what happens if you're just hanging out here like this, waiting for the wind, and all of a sudden, massive gust?
It's called a dust devil, and you don't want to be in a paraglider when that happens.
You just like quick
You
and
don't
try,
want to be in a hang glider either.
you try and unhook yourself as fast as you can.
You sit on the base tube, like you get all of your weight right on top of it,
Yeah.
as much as you can, if not up here on these wires.
Oh, to keep it nose heavy and down.
Right. There's videos of dust devils actually tipping a nose glider onto its nose and spinning it like a freaking top.
Oh,
Crap, dude.
that would be bad.
Yeah, it's sketchy.
I can't not see a sway bar when I look at that.
Kinda looks
There
like
was that
swing
one
bar.
that fell on, almost fell on your head when you told me to put that up there. I was like, is that a fold in half sway bar?
Really lightweight aluminum
I was
sway
like,
bar.
wow, this is
Has really good torsion
this is
abilities.
definitely not a sway bar. When I picked it up, I was like,
Whatever, dude. Everybody knows you don't need a sway bar.
It would depend on if you could make it so that twisting it would pull the cords. If somebody rigged up a mechanism to do that. 6 minutes and counting. Guys, look, I'll actually have content, except a lot of it will just be standing here.
Okay, this is the position. Alright? I go to the hill. I make sure that the wings are straight. Level. Neither of them, yes, it's level. Neither of them are going. And I have the nose right about there.
Awesome.
And I'm going to be looking dead ahead. I'm not going to look at where I'm running down the hill, and I'm going to hope I don't trip.
And if you're running as fast as you can, what are your arms doing?
They're wiggling my fingers.
They're relaxed.
Yeah. And then
Legs are
this-
propelling with your hips,
Yeah.
and your fingers are relaxed.
Yeah.
And if you feel like the nose is going way up high, then you're going to hear me yell, pull in. And you're going to stay looking forward,
Yeah.
or you're just going to pull the nose down a little bit.
Yeah.
Send it, brother.
What do we think about the wind situation?
Feeling pretty good.
Are we good to go then? Oh my gosh, here we go.
You got it, you got it.
First ever, here we go. Okay.
Run, faster, harder, relax.
Woo! Yeah! Dude, that was the most epic penguin slide I've ever seen.
But
Yeah.
I got the feeling, dude.
Yeah,
I got
you
the
got
motion.
Dude,
got it.
you look like a penguin. That was awesome.
Belly in there.
Sorry, I kind of.
No, that's fine, dude. That's what it's for.
Holy crap, dude.
That was awesome.
Do it again? Yell clear when you're ready to launch.
Okay. Clear. Ladder launching.
Run. Push out, all the way. That's okay.
You gotta come up like this, huh?
That and you had to keep running. Okay. Yeah, that was everything about that was perfect. Just the last part, this is what happened when I said push out. You went head down and then just laid down. And so that was fine.
Okay.
Next time go push out, run.
Okay, one more.
All right.
One more try.
All right.
Do you want to try it?